electric vehicle. Models like the Leapmotor D19 SUV and Leapmotor D99 MPV are designed for drivers who want modern EV performance, long range, and everyday practicality without paying a premium luxury price. The D19 appeals to buyers who need a family-ready electric SUV with a roomy interior, advanced connectivity, and a driving range well over 600 kilometers on a full charge, making it suitable for both city commuting and long highway trips. Its comfortable cabin, intuitive infotainment, and smart safety systems such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist help make daily driving easier and more enjoyable. The larger D99 MPV targets larger families or rideshare operators who value space for up to 7 passengers, flexible seating, and strong safety tech ideal for school runs, airport transfers, or extended road trips. Both models blend comfort, technology, and efficiency, making them compelling for people who want low running costs, reduced maintenance, and the convenience of electric driving. In terms of pricing, the Leapmotor D19 SUV typically starts around 329,800 yuan, is approximately equal to $46,000 in China, with expected regional prices of about 38,000 pounds, 48,000 pounds in the UK, and 44 euros, Yong Te Ushibo, Yong in Europe. The Leapmotor D99 MPV usually begins near 279,800 yuan, is approximately equal to $40,000 in China, with landed prices in the UK around 38,000 pounds, 48,000 pounds, 44 Yong Oshibo, Young in Europe, and NZD 75,000, NZD 90, 0 inches New Zealand depending on trim and local taxes.